Hey guys, today's April 4th, and everybody who's posted new goals and set their intention for what they want to get accomplished this month have done so. So here we are. This is the home team. And I want to share the story of what happened to me while driving Lyft on Saturday, because it really magnifies the importance of our self-talk, and really just at what a deep level our subconscious thoughts, how far they travel. And that there's like, I don't know what to call it, and after I finish with this story, maybe someone could help explain it to me a little better. But right now I'll just go with what our thoughts, like a certain frequency they go into that science hasn't quite explained. So without further ado, here's my story from Saturday. My father cleans apartment buildings, and recently he's been feeling under the weather, and he hasn't been able to make it to clean these apartment buildings with the same consistency that he has in the past. So in response to that, my eldest sister and I have been helping pick up some of the slack, and we've been cleaning these buildings. One of the buildings is more my responsibility to clean because it's in Westwood area and I live here in Venice. And it had been a couple days had gone by to where I hadn't cleaned it, and it was time. And it was a Saturday morning where I thought, you know, I really have to make it to Camden, 188 Camden, which is the address to which this building is on. But before I kept on making it to Camden, I had my Lyft app on because I also wanted to make money, and I'm getting calls. So I keep on getting pulled away to calls, and before you know it, instead of me being in Westwood cleaning 188 Camden, I'm now in downtown LA. I'm now in Pasadena. I'm now in Burbank. And the whole time I'm driving, I've got anxiety building, and I keep on thinking, I need to make it to 188 Camden. I need to make it, I can't let this day go by. So driving around, now suddenly I'm in Playa Vista. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna turn off the Lyft app and just go straight to Camden. So I turn off the Lyft app, I'm coming from Playa Vista. I'm around, this is now like 4.5 hours into my day. As I'm headed from Playa Vista to Westwood, I'm around 5-6 miles away from the Westwood area. And I'm on the freeway, and I was like, you know what, I've got to make money at the same time. So I turn on the Lyft app. While I'm on the freeway, somebody calls I pick up the fare, I get off the freeway, and the guy is a super friendly software engineer from India, and we start chatting, but the whole time I'm thinking, fuck, I really need to make it to Camden. So we're driving through the city, and then as we're getting to our destination, we start to pull up in front of Camden. I'm like, shit, the GPS on the phone, and I must have got it confused and taken this poor guy to the wrong address. Except as we pulled up, I go to apologize. I was like, hey man, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to take you here. It had been obviously gotten into the phone. He's like, no, this is where I'm going. Yeah, this is where I need to be, 188 Camden. And I'm like, right, 188 Camden, where you need to be. So, yeah, that happened. I don't know how you explain it. I don't know how that possibly could have happened. Mathematically, statistically, it's an impossibility. The apartment is only a 12-unit apartment. It's not like the Western Bonaventure that takes up there's like 1,000 people. There's only 12 units in this apartment. I picked this guy up around 5 miles away from the address. I had it on my mind the whole morning. And here it is, this guy, who I've never met before, who I picked up, who I got a call while I was driving on the freeway, happened to be going to this address that I really, really wanted to go to. So, for me, what that really brought home to me is that it's important to pay attention to our self-talk. It's important to have intention. And it's important to make sure that our subconscious mind is in alignment with those things that we want the most, because anything else is just us getting in our own way. And nothing should get in the way of us on our journey, making it to the 1-8 Camdens in all of our lives. All right, I'll see you guys in the forums and hopefully sooner in real life.